In today's video, I'm going to teach you, is Circle.so any good? Full review and pros and cons. Circle is an all-in-one community platform built for creators, coaches, educators, and online businesses. The main idea behind it is simple. Instead of piecing together separate tools for your community, courses, events, payments, email, and website, Circle tries to bring everything into one place. That makes it especially appealing for people who want a more organized and professional setup. With Circle, you can create an online community with discussion spaces and groups, host courses, schedule events, run live rooms and live streams, and sell memberships or subscriptions. It also supports paid content, landing pages, website building, email campaigns, engagement tracking, gamification, and branding customization, including custom domains. So in terms of features, it covers a lot. One of Circle's biggest strengths is its clean and easy to use interface. It feels modern, and it's clearly designed to make navigation simple for members. Another major advantage is that all-in-one experience. If your goal is to combine community, education, and monetization in one ecosystem, Circle does that very well. It also gives you solid customization options, good monetization tools, strong built-in community features, and growing AI and automation capabilities that can help with repetitive community management tasks. That said, there are some downsides. First, Circle can get expensive. The professional plan starts at $89 per month, while the business plan starts at $199 per month. Second, because there are so many features, the platform can feel a little overwhelming at first, especially for beginners. And third, some of the more advanced features, like workflows, API access, custom profile fields, branded email notifications, and removing Circle branding, are locked behind higher tier